Welcome. In this video, we'll talk about script task. When you want to use some function which are not available in built-in tasks and transformation in SSIS, then you can use script task. For example, if you want to access some data using other technology, or create some performance counter, or just simply to check files if they are empty or have some rows, you can use script task. In this video, I will show you one simple example how you can use script task like a counter to count how many rows are transferred from flat file or to a flat file from DB. In this example, I will use source DB database, one table from my database, and we will transfer data to flat file, and we will make a counter without row count transformation, just using code in script task. I'll show you how you can do this. First of all, we put the data flow task on our form, okay, and open it, and we'll choose our source assistant here, or our source. We'll use, as I said, we will use database source, one table, okay, and we'll use Adventure Work 2012 database. Now we'll use a SQL command. I will use data from human resource department, and we'll put a limit on the top 10 rows since we want to have track about our numbers for counter, to be much easier. Then now put this SQL here, and that will be that. And now we choose our flat file. We can use destination, flat file destination here as n, connect constraint put here between source and destination. And now we want to create our flat file connection manager. Okay, we'll give the name flat file connection manager just to correct a bit, and we will use flat file data. This data for now have some values here, but we will delete this. Okay, let's see now. Okay, I will delete this and save file. Yes, it's empty now. Okay, now we go on our control flow and use script task, put on the form, and connect with our data flow task. Just open it. Now, if you use row count transformation, you can use variable to define your counter, but in this case, if you use only the code, nothing else, you can you do not need variables. So I'll show you how you can do this. Okay, this is a code I already prepared one, but I will explain you what this code is doing. So just put on full screen. Okay, on Microsoft.com you have explanation how you can connect data source in the script task. You have explanation for DB connection and also for flat file, and you can see the differences between those two there, and it's very well explained. So I recommend it to follow this link and to read a little bit about that. This is actually our string path and file name of our connection manager. Here it's a string which show you where our flat file where is our flat file position, and it's very simple access connection to using only code. We put our counter on 0, of course. You see here is error because he didn't recognize this is a system build function. Okay, and now it's okay. Stream read, we will read our whole flat file connection, and it's like a loop here, and for every line we rise up our line count for 1. And of course convert to string and show message. It's the reason why we convert our line count integer to string, to show how many rows we have. Just save this and okay. Now if we execute this, we'll get 10 rows were transferred, and it's correct, you know. If we open this flat file, we have 10 rows. And for this example, that will be all. In the next video, I will show you how you can use row count transformation to count number of rows, and how you can combine with variables. In this video, we used data flow task, script task with some custom script to make some simple count, one simple counter to count our how many rows from database go to flat file, and of course source and flat file source DB and flat file destination. And that will be all. Thank you for watching.